What's your name and where you're from?
I am Purni Rajaswamy. We are from Mumbai, Ghatkopar, and we feel immense happy and pleasure to be here. Apart from this pandal, who has been settled here for various activities, for example, to stay, to bathe, to eat. So it's very happy being here.
What do you want to say about the initiative that what do you want to say to Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is providing the food here, the free of cost to the people, to the followers, to the devotees of Sri Ram Bhakt. Those are coming here to see the temple.
See, firstly, pet puja is very important, sir. So, bhakti यहाँ पे आ रहे, it's very important कि first fill their stomach and then go for the prayers. Even God says that. So, I think Sant Rampal sir is doing a very big initiative wherein he is providing so much of food to so much of not 1 or 2 or 10,000 lakhs of people coming here to eat their food with fulfilling good amount of food. So, I think great initiative by Sant Rampal sir.
Is it free of cost and are you charging for something for that?
Definitely, it's a free of cost, no money allocation, good seating arrangements with good air condition. So, good initiative.
What did you take? I mean that what did you take in the food?
I think we had puri with masala puri, dal, rice. We had pickles, that is variation in pickle, that is the carrot one. We had dessert, that is the rava dessert. So many other variations we had.
And what about the taste?
I already told you it was brilliant.
Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is doing some social reforming work as he's stopping the dowry system and he's stopping every type of the alcohol and all. What do you want to say about him and what do you want to say about his initiative?
Wherein talking about India, it is a tradition that has been followed from the earlier past, maybe it could be the alcoholism or the dowry system. So thinking about these two things, which is very, very important in India, especially for the ladies, it will be a big help for the ladies if such initiative has been taken by somebody. So I feel this initiative should go overall India, above India, and it should spread massively, so that this very good thought by Sant Rampal sir and youngsters like us who think this kind of initiative should be taken, because as a lady, as a woman, I think this is the thing that he has done very correctly. So firstly, congratulations for that, and I think such a great initiative will definitely move to a great success also. So thank you.